half moon. Stand. Dancing star. Here the card. Here accessories. Like this. A little dark cloud here. Oh, so good. She's perfect. The moon lover here. Wow, it's like a here the card. The moon lover. We stand, and this one may be a little rabbit. Here, the final look. Oh, the moon travelers. Here. Here the card. Here accessory. Wow. Like that. Oh. That'll fit on. Here. The collection này thì mặc côn kề mùi chết chưa. Chùa CRYBABY. So yeah, let's see. Accessory here. This one called the moon catcher. Wow, this one feel like form in baby blue. How it's like agam here accessory. Okay, put like this. She have a little half moon here. That girls, this one's called the outsider. Nhưng ở chỗ chữ mới đó sát trên cái mùi nắng. Yeah, on the card, and here accessory, stand. Came in, yeah, a little USFO here. Oh, this one's so cute. The rabbit on the moon. Here, it's her. Here the card. Holographs and then cupcake. She has standing and the full moon here, but so sad, right? Alright. Oh, and this texture complicated with like that. With cream with matte. Okay, I get for a little bit chocolate moon, yeah. Okay, good. Last on the second row. this one, the full moon. Wow. Here. Yeah. It her face. Here. But this one's black one. Had a mask. This one the original one. We saw blue. But blue. Her tears. It's like the pure, right? Card. Here. The full moon. And accessory. Here. And a little cat. A little cat here. Just put her on stand. Third row, I choose the little ones here. Ooh, so heavy. Oh, I know it. The first boy on the moon. Here. Yeah. Oh, this one's so good. It's better than the pink one. We can call it texture with peel the clear. Oh wow. Good. They have the card and the moon and a little dog here. Yes, sorry. Like a moon also. A little dog. So yes, put her on stand. It's perfect. This one. Oh, oh my god, it's bloody. Never mind. Anh bật ban hồng ra. Oh, Sleepy Sunny. I see the card. Wow, she pretty. Wow. Accessory, she have stand and window cloud here. Maybe this one my favorite one. Has two box here. Maybe I choose this one. This one's so heavy. So you saw this one and this one. This one called the Space Traveler and the Night Guide. Em chọn ban mùi là các bạn này, but xong nó không bị vào trong khỏi nó bị secret mùi màu. Please. See? Yeah. The Night Guide here. Perfect. Sạch căm như vậy thằng ba. So good. Here, the card, stand, and the star. Like this. Last one here. Yeah, this one also heavy. Yeah. After shaking, yeah, this one, no secret. What? No, it's her. Why? Are you kidding? You're smart as secret in here. And then she came out like this. Okay, find the Space Travelers. Okay, here the card and accessory, just like this one, no standing. Okay, bye.